top 5 generative AI questions. The first one is about the interview, and I have faced these common interview questions. Here we need to explain the what is the analyzing in data. In the what is the generative AI and how it different from the traditional AI. Instead of just analyzing in data, generative AI and what is the traditional AI. In the generative was just doing the analyzing data, we get the new data instead of just analyzing in data. In the traditional AI, it was just doing the LLM works, it was a station. The second question was explain how the large language works. In the second question, we just need to explain how LLM works. It was totally based on the transformer decoder based structure. We need to explain how it will generate the new token, how the transformer works, how the self attention mechanism works. We can explain the second one. The third question is how do you have evaluate the generative AI models. Here we can explain like the we have used the blue score technique and also human evaluation we have used for the analyzing the generative AI model. The fourth question it was the fine tuning. In the fine tuning we need to explain why we need the fine tuning. The fine tuning means process that we are doing the changing the response of the model. Means we if we want to change the domain specific model, if we want a domain specific response, that time we can use the fine tuning model instead of, and if you have the frequently changing the data, the fine tuning it totally fails. That time is a generative augmented generation. It will be totally based on the frequently data. If we have the frequent generation of their data, that time we can use the, it will be helpful to update the data based on the frequent data, and it will totally based on the retrieve the semantic data, and it will be generate the content. This is the rack.